You ready to make a video, baby?
Yes.
Say hi. Wait, don't open it yet. We're gonna open it together, okay? You ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Alright, let's do this, baby. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Explain with Sammy. Today we're gonna unbox Akibento crate. Say hi, Sammy. Alright, ready? It's gonna be a really quick video. I don't have anybody recording, it's just me and I'm using a tripod, so it's kind of like hard, but let's do this. Alright, extend up. Let me go like this. Alright, so let us begin. Alright guys, so this is the Akibento box. Want to show it to them, Sammy?
Yes.
Show it to them. Want to open it, Sammy?
Yes.
Alright, let us open it, okay? Let me help you. There you go. Open it up. And this is what we see. Awesome. Alright, let us begin, shall we? So first things first. Sammy got the cap. Well, the beanie. Is it a beanie? Here, Sammy, hold it. You show it to us, okay? Alright, so let us begin the unboxing. So what is that first? What's the first thing there, Sammy? What do you see? What is it? Yes. Let me see it. Show it to me. But look at me. This looks like a beanie. Oh, look. Here's the little book. Can you open the little book up, Sammy? Open it. You can do the skeleton right there sitting down, baby.
No.
Yes. Okay, so this one is... Oops. Hold on.
Next.
An exclusive silly reversible beanie. Oh. I think that's from the... what's it called? The Pop Team Epic, something like that. I haven't seen it, but I heard that it's really funny. So let's see what else is in here. Alright, so look, what is this? Is this a book? Some manga. Okay, this is something really cool. Whenever you read a manga, oh look, a keychain, a doggy keychain. This is Gintama. Ooh, Gintama. From the anime Gintama. I think. I haven't seen it, to be honest. Alright, but hold on. So I was gonna tell you about the, what is it? Let me see. Look. There's some stickers from the like the beanie, like this one. There's from the same ones. The Pop Team Epic.
Hey, puppy.
Yeah, look at the skeleton.
It's puppy.
Okay, so the thing about manga, you know, traditionally you read it like this, right? You open it like this, but whenever you read, yes, look at the skeleton. You're fighting with it, Sammy.
Yes.
Tell him, Sammy, talk to the skeleton.
Skeleton.
How does the skeleton talk?
Skeleton talk.
How does he talk?
Skeleton look.
He's obsessed with Halloween, guys. Well, anyways, real quick. So this one, you read it backwards and you start like this. When you open it, right now we'll see it. So let's say you're gonna be reading. You don't read it from this side to this side. You read it from this side to this side. So you go like this.
Look, puppy.
So you will be reading like this. Which is really cool, right? It's pretty unique. What is that? Is that a t-shirt? I open it. Right, let me open it. Oh, it's too big. Let's see. How can... Hold on, guys. Hold on. Look. There we go. You can more or less see it like this. Look, what is that? Okay, right now we'll see what's in there. Hold on, let me take this box off. 1 minute, guys. Alright.
Let's open it.
Oh, look at the funny faces. This is Sammy when he's angry. Is that you when you're mad?
Yes.
Is this me when I'm laughing?
Yes.
Is this your mom when she's hungry?
Yes.
Yes.
That's Oliver hungry.
That's Oliver hungry. And who's this? Who's this right here? Is that your Aunt Stephanie?
Yes.
Yes. Oh no, look, this is more like your mom. Is that mommy?
Yes.
Yes. Look. It looks like you whenever you're looking at the TV.
Yes.
Yes. So what is this? It's a door stopper. Let's see. Let's try to open it.
Yes.
Yes. Sammy, tell them hi.
Hi.
But look at them. finally out. So, oh cool, that's pretty cute. It's a little door stopper. Show it to us, Sammy. Show it to me. Whoa. So this is you put it under the door so you can stop it. Since I usually keep my door closed, I think I'll just put it on on my shelf as decoration, or maybe like a book holder or something. That's pretty cool. What else did we get? Let's see. Oh look guys. We also got a little pin. The theme was silly. Show it to us, Sammy. Wait, no, like show it to the camera. No, look, put it right here. Put it down here. There you go. Let's see. What is it? Move your little hand, baby. Move your little hand. Put it like this.
It's a tail.
That looks so funny. That's actually pretty funny. Like to do heads or tails? Yes? Well, this is a pretty cool crate. I like the shirt. It's pretty funny. And like the manga's pretty cool. That's Sammy Matt. Did you like it, Sammy? Look at me. Say hi. No. Alright guys, thank you so much for exploring with Sammy. That was the unboxing of Akibento. Once again, I'm sorry like if it was kind of shaky because I'm the one recording. But like I think my son liked it. I think he's gonna wear the beanie. Are you gonna wear the beanie, Sammy?
Yes.
Are you sure? Because it's gonna get cold soon. Tell him bye. Say bye, friends.
Bye.
What about the skeleton?
And this one.
Say the skeleton to say bye to us.
Bye.
I love you. Wow, ignored. Well, thank you so much guys for exploring with Sammy. Please comment, subscribe, share, like, leave comments on videos you would like to see and all that. Bye, Sammy. Tell them bye. Alright, thank you so much guys. Have a great day.